Chmelaeon.com here, doing a review of the Bicycle pack of standard playing cards made in the USA. Bicycle's been making cards since 1885. This pack comes with 6 red and 6 blue decks. Once again, made in the USA, standard faces. High quality cards, very crisp. And I'm going to save you the time of opening a pack, but when they come out of this box, this is what they look like. They got this nice plastic film over them. Every time you open a fresh deck of Bicycle playing cards, you are handling 130 years of expertise. You probably craft each deck using custom paper and coatings, so you can trust Bicycle performance hand after hand. And also, apparently, they've created an app. Probably help you learn some cool card games. Air cushion finish, made in the USA. Now, here's a couple of decks that we opened. Here's the standard blue face, and here's the standard red face. And they also have these neat little cards that tell you about the app, bicycle.com/rules. And then here is the standard deck laid out, which is 54 cards, including the 2 Joker cards. 56 if you include these two little guys. So we'll have an Amazon link below to buy these. They're very well priced. And this is what most magicians use, actually, to learn how to play cards. And let's see if I can still do this. I remember this when I was a kid. You can kind of like, fan them out, check them out, buy them today. Chmelaeon.com, out. Amazon link below, and also check out Chmelaeon.com for other toys and hobbies later.